Hello, my name is Joshua Oposo and welcome to Piano Muscle Memory episode 1 in the key of D flat. Alright, so like we did for the key of C, we're also going to be having 4 stages for the song, and we'll break it down with all the necessary melodic chord we have. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so that's "You Are Worthy to Be Praised," which is A flat, then we'll go to the chords, and this is B flat, G flat, A flat on my left hand, while I play the D flat, G flat, A flat, and D flat on my right hand. The next chord is C, A flat, okay, and the B flat, while we have the E flat, A flat, B flat, and the E flat on my right hand. The third chord is D flat, A flat, D flat, and F, A flat, C, and F on my right hand. Alright, so that's the first movement. Then alright, so this is the second step, which is which we start with a melody chord. Let me break that down. Which is A flat, A flat, G, and A flat. Once again, A flat, A flat, G, A flat. Then you get, okay. But for the first set of chords in the second step, just like I said for the last lesson in the key of C, it's having exactly the same chords, okay, except for the third chord that we play in this one. Okay, so this third chord is having D, B flat, and C there, alright, on our left hand, while the right hand remains the same, which is F, B flat, C, and F again. Alright, so let me state that again. This chord is the same with the first step. The second chord too again is first with the same with the first step. But for this, we are having something different entirely, which is D, B flat, and C. Then we have F, B flat, C, and F there. Alright, so we're done with the second step. So for the third step, we have an octave. My Redeemer. Alright, so which is A flat octave. Then you go for the chords, which is E flat, B flat, and D flat. We have B flat, E flat, and E flat on our right hand. Then let me say that again. We have E flat, B flat, D flat on our left hand, while we have the B flat, E flat, and the G flat on our right hand. Then we go to the next chord, which is D flat, A flat, D flat. Then we have A flat, D flat, and F. Okay, then the last chord is C, A flat, B flat, A flat, C, and E flat. Alright. My Redeemer. So that's it. Then for the last step, which is the fourth step, we're having so let me break that down. That's you are worthy to be praised. Okay, so let's break that down. That is B flat, D flat, G flat, played twice. You understand? Then we play E flat, B flat and D flat on our left hand, while we play G flat, B flat, D flat, and F on our right hand. Then we play on our left hand remains the same, so we play on our right hand G flat, A flat, and we play that's D flat on our right hand. Okay, then the next one we move up here, which is A flat, E flat, then we play G flat, B flat, and E flat on our right hand. Then we go down. The left hand remains the same on the A flat and the E flat, while we play G flat, A, C, and E flat on our right hand. Okay, so that's the last chord, which is D flat, A flat, and D flat, while we play F, A flat, and D flat on our right hand. Okay, so that's the ending. So let's play it all from the beginning. So that's it. I'll see you in the next lesson.